Have you ever realized that you spent a significant amount of your time working in the office? We will show you the top 5 must-have office gadgets and accessories that can make your work days productive and comfortable. So let's jump into the video. Number 1. LHiDS Creative Magnetic Modular Organizing Board. MagEasy is an organization hack that helps you stay organized and get out the door fast in today's hectic world. Minimalist Portable Modular Magnetic Organizing Kit. The MagEasy Magnetic Modular Organizing Board can be easily transformed into an ultra-slim flat in just 1 second and stowed away in any drawer. It adopts a fully customizable and expandable magnetic modular design which allows you to utilize every square inch of it to store and arrange your items of daily use. The self-standing magnetic modular organizing board instantly removes clutter on your desk by maximizing vertical storage space. It is an all-in-one desktop organizer that keeps everything in place to save space and helps keep the mess at bay. The MagEasy Folio contains A5 folio, RFID blocking pocket, dot clip, paper clip, cover clip, magnetic card holder, universal organizer set, small and large, and 8 customized paper template, 40 sheets pack. Take your unique MagEasy Folio everywhere and cultivate a modern lifestyle. All-in-one MagEasy A5 magnetic portfolio folder organizer allows you to keep everything neatly in place and organize items on the portfolio in your own manner, eliminating clutter and saving space in your workplace. Elegant and modern design simplify your daily routine and decrease the chances of losing items by taking just the necessary items and holding them securely on your MagEasy Folio. The built-in magnets are TSA approved and allowed on the flight. Number 2. Piro Wearable Smart Mouse. Introducing Piro, a wearable controller that makes your smart devices even smarter. Piro turns your simple hand motions into customizable shortcuts for your device. Now, you can control the cursor and input commands with this single device so that you can focus more on getting the job done. Number 3. AiT Smart One. The most unique, height-adjustable desk that takes care of your health and is easily controlled with a simple app. The desk monitors your time spent sitting and indicates when it's time to get up and continue working in a standing position. It informs you of the air quality in the room and tells you when it needs to be ventilated. Number 4. Kinn Chair. Designed to the finest detail, this ergonomic office chair looks to the human spine for inspiration. Expertly designed and eco-friendly, Ergo Chair Pro Plus provides equal parts comfort and support so that you can maintain good posture throughout the day. Boundless back, strong fishbone spine, magnetically designed upholstery, long-lasting, elastic TPE, toxic-free, recyclable TPE, natural lumbar support, fully adjustable functions, sleek, modern design. Premium spinal support. Find the perfect balance while sitting in your office chair with lumbar support modeled after magnetic fields. This ergonomic office chair's design encourages a seating posture that activates the body's core and promotes a better sense of well-being than conventional office chairs. Freedom of movement. Ergo Chair Pro Plus enables an expanded reach and greater freedom to move. Thanks to its frameless design, it follows the contours of your body, moving and bending with you as naturally as possible. Adaptive headrest. Uniquely pliable, our TPE headrest maintains an important and delicate balance of flexibility and resistance. Now your neck and shoulders get protected, giving you a healthy spine and correct posture. Comfortable spring seat. Ergo Chair Pro Plus TPE made spring seat design provides unmatched comfort. It's stronger, lighter, and 10x longer lasting than conventional foam or meshes seating. Its unique array of 62 springs provides you with a superior seating experience. Through range of motion. Ergo Chair Pro Plus is designed to be fully adjustable so you can customize it to fit your exact body type. Move the armrests, fine-tune the position of the seat, and this ergonomic office chair will be your unique and ultimate sweet spot. BIFMA certified ergonomic office chair. Ergo Chair Pro Plus meets the strict industry standards set by BIFMA, the Business and Institutional Furniture Manufacturers Association. As well as providing comfort and excellent posture, its durability and build quality have been independently certified. Number 5. HPRT Wireless Portable Printer. Smallest A4 portable printer, support normal A4 paper, width 216mm printing, new version. 300 pi excellent print quality, applicable for mobile office and home school students, a good choice for home printer. Big battery capacity, built-in battery that can print 70 PCS after fully charged. Easy printing, wireless connected. If there is file format error during printing, please change to PDF format and retry printing. Thermal transfer technology, no ink, only need to replace thermal ribbon. The printer is equipped with 1 PC thermal ribbon, and it only support our RFID thermal ribbon. Thanks for watching.